Hey guys, welcome to question FM118 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Darlene goes bungee jumping. She makes the initial fall, then continues to bounce up and fall again until coming to an apparent stop. So her initial fall is 134 meters, her second fall is 67 meters, and her third fall is 33.5 meters. She continues to fall according to this geometric sequence. How far does Darlene fall on her fifth fall? Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So, we've been told that this is a geometric sequence, which means we need to find the factor by which this is moving along in terms of moving along this pattern. So what factor do we have to multiply 134 by to become 67? And then what do we have to multiply 67 by to become 33.5? Pretty simple way of doing this. Take your first 2 terms in the sequence and divide the second term by the first term. So if you divide 67 by 134, you're going to get 0.5. Now to double check that this is in fact the factor by which we're moving along our sequence, we can then take the next 2 terms in the sequence, 67 and 33.5. Once again, taking the next term in our sequence and dividing it by the one before it, 33.5 divided by 67 also equals 0.5, which means it's a pretty safe bet that this is our factor. So we have the first 3 terms of our sequence, which means we need the 4th and then 5th term in order to complete this question. So if we were to take our 33.5 and times that by 0.5, this should give us the 4th term in our sequence, which is incidentally 16.75. Now, of course, we want the 5th term, not the 4th term, so we're going to have to take this a step further. 16.75 times 0.5, that is equal to 8.375, which of course the question has asked us to round to 2 decimal places, which if we do that, we end up with 8.38 meters, meaning that our answer to this question is going to be option C. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.